This is the story about a motorcycle that was ridden 2/3 around the world to a place made famous by Marco Polo, a place to where few bikers have actually adventured. Shipped back across Russia to Wales by truck, it was collected by me and Dr. Caroline on our narrowboats to be slowly transported to the UK's biggest bike show, Motorcycle Live in Birmingham. This was a very unusual journey. Sometimes I get the bike off the boat. I use bags of coal to get it off the tug deck. I give it a run, get it fueled up. But then I look around and I so miss the wide expanse of desert I so like. In a quieter way, the boat needs to be fueled up too, and all over the Canal network, traditional motorboats breast alongside their customers with their heating and propulsion supplies. So here we are in Wales, cool Cymru, at the beautiful biker haven of Llangollen, where everyone passes by the steam railway. I just love the concept of transport, obviously being a world traveller, and the fact that I can find so many different forms of transport so close to home is what is so fascinating and satisfying about this whole project. The engine was steaming up, time to get on board. I just love trains. God, next best thing to motorbikes, long trains. Oh yes, he's very proud of his motorbike, aren't you? Yeah, I know, it's great, brilliant. I've got my Yamaha and you've got your, what is it? It's a Shinrei, probably from China. From China? Yeah? Shinrei, very nice, yeah. Oh, that is so sweet. How can you not like those boys? Fellow motorbikers in Mongolia. Oh, blimey O'Reilly. They're the only people I've met today. Well, it's always phenomenal just going across the Pontic aqueduct. It's just great. It's one of the monuments of the world, really, isn't it? And for me, I just feel, how can I put it, enlightened. You know, it's just the most amazing feeling, taking a canal boat over such a brilliant structure. Very nearly at the end of what I think is a fairly successful completion of a journey called Mohantleth to Mongolia.